what's up? Thanks for coming in. This is Jason with SoundDesignStudio.net. Before we get started, you already know what I'm going to ask. Go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell so you can make sure you stay notified with all of our videos that we upload, and you can stay in contact with us so we can make sure we get you all of the content that we put out. Alright, but today let's go ahead and jump off into the video. It's gonna be over the unboxing of the DP48 DP48MB. It's just the mounts for the DP48. Nothing super spectacular. It almost reminds you of the mount for the P16s, but they have a little couple of extra features on it, and I'll show you in the unboxing of it. So let's jump into the video. And again, this has been Jason with SoundDesignStudio.net, and talk to you later. Alright, so we have the DP48MB. So the box kind of reminds you of the DP48 box, packaging wise. Let's go ahead and get this unwrapped. Tried to take off a piece of tape already so it wouldn't take me as long this time. Let's get this off. Alright, so as we can see, it comes with a quick start guide, which is kind of funny that it comes with a quick start guide for a mount, which it probably has about the same amount of information that the quick start guide has for the wing or something like that. So the first thing we have is the actual mount for the DP48 that mounts to the bottom of the DP48. Alright, let's get it out of the package. Here we go. Alright, so of course we can see that it has the 3 screws to mount it to the bottom of the DP48, and then it has these 2 hooks on the side. I'm assuming it's for cabling or some sort. Maybe it's some new thing for a purse holder or something like that, but seriously, I'm thinking it's maybe for a cable holder or something. But if anybody knows what the true usage for it is, definitely let me know. Alright, so the next piece is the mounting piece that actually holds it to the stand. Here it is. So they actually added a couple of pieces to this from the P16 mounts, which you can see. You have the holder, the cable holder, that actually holds the cabling. So if you don't know how this goes, let me kind of show you how this slides into place. And if you can see, they actually, if you saw the P16 mounts before, they didn't have this groove that that the metal sits behind, so it kind of makes it to where it's not as easy to slide out this time now. So this makes it pretty sweet, so it doesn't come out as easy. But this is how you get it into the groove, and you sit it like this, and you mount it on to a microphone stand or whatever other stand that you have, and you put your cabling or whatever through this piece right here. And you look like you have quite a bit of space, so you should be able to put a decent amount of cabling through there. So headphone cablings, 1/4 inch MIDI cable, Cat 5, everything else. So like I said, this is for your mount for your DP48, and then right here of course is your screws to go into the bottom of your DP48. As you can see, the 3 holes here, 1, 2, 3, they'll match up with these 3 holes. Alright, so it's not a hard setup at all. It's just the 3 screws, and I'll show you the installation of it here in just a second. But that's pretty much it as far as the unboxing of it. It's not a whole lot to it, but I think it's it's pretty important to have this, because you have, like I said, you have your cable holders to keep everything neat, and then also to keep, you know, the DP48 from sitting on the floor or sitting on anything. This is pretty, you know, pretty important to have. So I think it's definitely good to have these pieces around to keep your DP48s from being set on instruments and on the floor or anything else, so that they can stay in great shape, so they won't be broken easily, and so that you can also keep your instrument and everything and cabling in good order and in place. So let's show you the installation. So first of all, you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver, not a big Phillips, you know, a small tip Phillips head screwdriver. And I started with the bottom one first, the metal hole, and just try to get it in there. Like I said, it's not a hard installation, just kind of slide it till you find the hole. Get that first one in there, start the second hole, get that screw in there, go ahead and get the third screw in there real quick, and I made the third. I went back and made that one snug. Then go ahead and loosen the bolt that's holding your piece down. Slide that into the metal fitting, put that into there, then tighten that into place, and you can screw that from both sides so that it tightens quick. And I mean, after that, you're pretty much ready to go. And then what you'll do is basically unscrew that inside in there so you can slide your microphone stand or whatever into place within that space that my hand is sitting in right there. All right, appreciate you guys coming in and spending time with us on the unboxing of the DP48. Hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, it's nothing crazy in the box, but at least you get to see kind of what you get if you haven't already bought one, and then you also kind of see the assembly of it. It's not too hard. Well, it's not hard at all, as long as you have a screwdriver and a brain. You need a brain. But appreciate you guys stepping in, and again, make sure you hit that little bell, hit that subscribe button, and we'll talk to you guys later. On to the next one. Jason with sounddesignstudio.net. Talk to you later. Appreciate it. Peace.